everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Juliana, but you should totally subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 ways to make money this February 2019 as a teenager. So these are basically for 14 through maybe 18. Make sure to subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing I have for you guys is to sell candy, drinks, chips, like anything that people eat, like a whole pack of candies, and you can sell them and you can make really good side money off of this. I do this sometimes, so it's really great alternative to a job or like just making money in general. It's just a really good way to get that extra money. Okay, the second thing I have for you guys is basically downloading apps that give you rewards, and the rewards are basically like gift cards, real money, things like that. Two big apps that let you make money. It's one of them is called Gift Loop and the other is called Misplay. I've heard so much about them, and I hear that they're really great for making side money on the side. So if you want to get like an Amazon gift card, PayPal money, things like that, it's really good for you if you want to do that. Okay, so the third way to make money is Poshmark. I have talked about this in my really old how to make money fast video, but Poshmark, I've been using this app for like so long, literally so long. Everyone knows about it. This is not sponsored by them, but by the way, Poshmark is like one of the best buying and selling fashion apps because you can sell your old clothes, but then again you can buy clothes on the app. So it's really cool. You can edit the photo, you can talk to people that are selling, and it's a really great app. The fourth thing, seeing sales. If you like to bake or if you like to cook, things like that, like food in general, if you like to bake like cookies, cakes, things like that, this is a really good thing for you because you can make lots of money off of something that you love doing. So I know this one girl, she likes to bake, so she bakes things and she sells them for like a really reasonable price. Okay, so the fifth thing is babysitting. I know all the YouTubers have said babysitting, but babysitting is actually a really good alternative to making money. Just make sure if you want to go in the babysitting business, you know how to handle children, you're very responsible, and just make sure you like children. I know that's not something for me to do because I don't really like to babysit. But if you are good with children and if you're really responsible and you think that babysitting is something for you, I totally advise you to do that. Okay, the sixth thing for teenagers that want to make money is getting an actual legit job. Like some examples could be like McDonald's, working at Chick-fil-A, Kroger, Publix, any store in general that's hiring. You can work at like any fast food chain, they'll probably hire you. Just make sure you are mature enough to start a job because I know that it's like a really big thing and it's really important for you to know what you're doing. So getting a job is not that bad, especially if you want to make some money off on the side. Okay, number 7 is something that I am doing right now, is doing hair and makeup. This does require you to travel to clients' houses or clients' events. So basically you can do makeup or hair for prom events, homecoming, graduations. I know that that's like a lot, but there are legit makeup artists and hair like people to they actually are really good at what they do, and they get paid a lot. Like, so number 8 is pretty straightforward. It's just basically yard sales. If you want to just make like if you just want to sell your old things, then that's something you want to do. If you're hoarding a lot of stuff, yard sales are just a good alternative for that. Number 9 is something I am trying to do. Okay, everyone knows that YouTube can get you lots and lots of money. I mean, look at all the big YouTubers like Alicia Marie, Jake Paul, you know, all those big YouTubers, PewDiePie. They all have millions of subscribers, and yet they make so much money off of their business on YouTube. I think that a lot of people think that YouTube is just like, it can bring you so much money, and that's what I thought as well. So that's why I started my YouTube channel. But then I quickly realized that YouTube literally takes so long for you to get monetized, for you to actually gain a following. So don't do YouTube if you are just in it for the money, because that's what I did, and it's like, it's a really bad idea. Do not do it if you're for the money. But if you do love YouTube, if you love editing, if you love doing YouTube and putting out videos and putting out content, I totally advise you to do that. But yeah, YouTube is overall so fun for me. It's like a hobby for me. But yeah, don't do YouTube for the money because you will literally get nowhere. Okay, so the last thing is so important, especially if you know what people like. So this last one, number 10, is like selling trendy things. Like, I know for girls my age, we love scrunchies. Like, if a girl doesn't have scrunchies, you can get scrunchies. Like, I don't know, but you can literally buy like trendy things and sell them at school. Trendy things and sell them at school or like wherever, to whomever. But yeah, buying trendy things is the way. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions for me, go comment down below, because I check my comments. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys so much, and I really hope this video helped you to make money. So subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later.